Welcome! I've been to Bangkok at least 5 times now, and I still get that feeling the moment I land. The city is loud, alive, and chaotic, but I love it. Not the party districts, but the herb markets, the temples, and the tiny cafes you almost stumble into by accident. First stop is FV, a natural fruit cafe tucked into Chinatown. The atmosphere is beautiful, calm, and very aesthetic. I love that they have an ever-changing menu of incredible delicious Thai fruits, and this is what I got this time. White curcuma drink, it improves the digestion and is good for people who sweat easily. Also a langsat jelly that has a lot of dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals, and also a lot of electrolytes, and it's delicious. I also got the pomelo shrimp bites just because the texture sounded amazing, and a mangosteen granita that is packed with powerful antioxidants which helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This mangosteen dessert was absolutely delicious. It has so many antioxidants that protect the cells from oxidative stress. And of course, the pomelo shrimp bites were a whole vibe. The texture, the spiciness, sour, sweet, umami, amazing. And of course, the aesthetic of this place. It's so beautifully curated. It feels like a whole museum, actually. Chinatown is truly a world of its own in Bangkok. The streets smell like fresh herbs, incense, fried garlic. You hear a bit of Mandarin, you hear a bit of Thai. It's a lot to take in, but it has this incredible own rhythm. I always love just wandering here without a plan. But almost every time, well actually every time, I end up at my absolute favorite dessert place here. They serve some kind of douhua. It's Chinese tofu pudding, but a variety of it. This time I got one with ginger and goji berries. It is soft, it is slightly sweet, easy to digest, and according to TCM, it's a wonderful way to support the spleen. Literally comfort in a bowl. The place is called Ba Hao Jian Mi, and I highly recommend you go there. It's a cute little place. I'm getting some cash before going to this incredible workshop. Stay tuned, because we're making our own yadom today. You've probably seen them all over Thailand. The traditional inhaler sticks, blend of camphor, menthol, and various aromatic herbs that are used for nausea, headache, dizziness. And in this workshop, you can just make your own to your liking. It's so calming and honestly was one of the highlights of this trip. Look how cute they turned out. You can customize everything. Back into the bustling city, and I sometimes just stand and watch all the motorbikes, the tuk-tuks, street vendors, monks, all at once, all the time. I love it, but I also know this place can be a lot. That's why I always try to find the corners that let you breathe. Day 2, and because I'm always mindful of how I take care of my body when I travel, I'm starting today with a proper brunch. Well, this was a weird marshmallow situation, don't mind that. We went to Larder. It's a small cafe with Eastern European influences, and everything is made in-house. The sourdough pastries, the sourdough bread, even the sausages and the meat. The bread is wildly fermented, full of lactic acid bacteria, And as someone who cares a lot about ingredients and gut health, this place feels like a little heaven to indulge with good ingredients. And we need all the energy we can get because we are taking a trip to a very famous temple now. We arrived at Wat Po. It is one of the oldest and most significant temples in Bangkok. Most people come for the reclining Buddha, and so do I, but what I love just as much is throughout the gardens there are so many traditional healing plants, and they're growing everywhere. There's ginger, pandan leaves, kaffir lime, galangal, and so much more. It's a living pharmacy right in the middle of the city, and barely anyone knows that. Also, look at this stunning wall decoration. I'm in awe every time I come here. The attention to detail is out of this world. Here I am, dissociating a little. And if you thought that Thai medicine is just Thai massage, I have a little something for you. Most people walk right past this part without noticing it, but there's a small museum dedicated entirely to Thai traditional medicine. There are inscriptions of the Zen energy lines, the energy pathways Thai massage is built on, and it's similar to what meridians are in traditional Chinese medicine, alongside treatment points and herbal remedies and so much of the history, because Wat Po was actually Thailand's first public university. In the 1830s, King Rama III ordered knowledgeable wise men from across the kingdom to collect and write down everything they knew about traditional medicine, herbs, massage, astrology, and poetry. That was a way of preserving ancient wisdom before the world changed too fast. And over 1,400 of those inscriptions are now registered by the UNESCO as Memory of the World. There are illustrations, ancient diagnostic methods, the body understood through a completely different lens. And I really love to see that because as someone who's very into Chinese medicine, I can definitely see a lot of similarities between those two diagnostic methods. And for anyone who's into Chinese medicine, Thai medicine, herbal medicine, this place is so special. Here you can see the hot herbal compress and the herbal balms used in the Thai massage. My only complaint though is that it's not big enough. I wish it would be bigger. But otherwise it's really great. Now we're making our way to the reclining Buddha, and just keep in mind that this place is probably the most crowded in the whole temple area, so yeah, keep that in mind. The Buddha itself is 46 meters long and 15 meters high. It is completely covered in gold, and the light hits differently depending on where you stand and what time it is. He looks so long here. What draws me in is the soles of his feet. They're decorated with 108 fields, each inlaid with mother of pearl and each holding a different symbol. It always reminds me of reflexology and the idea that the entire body is mapped onto the soles of the feet. This is a connection that I find really beautiful. And here again, you can see the beautiful paintings all over the wall. It's mostly painted on wood, and alone with this, I could just spend hours looking at it. The whole temple area is huge, so if you want to look at everything, make sure you have enough time. You can also chill under the old trees, and yeah, the whole area, even though it's very crowded, is one of the places that really calms you down. We are moving on to Ari, one of my favorite neighborhoods. It's calm again. It has tree-lined streets and lots of small independent spots and coffee shops. I am treating myself to a matcha. And then just strolling around, people watching. I love that. This is my favorite community space. And of course, a non-negotiable part of every Thailand trip, a Thai massage that works with pressure points and energy lines, the Zen lines I talked about earlier. It is similar to the meridians, and it just puts you into a parasympathetic mode. Cortisol is going down. The body is remembering what rest actually feels like. I also love the tiny desserts and the hot tea that you get. That's just a very nice extra as a dessert lover like myself. And there you can see all their different programs they offer, and they also sell their own scrub and massage oil. I just love that wellnessy vibe. And you know, the massage was very good when I end up like this. I genuinely fell asleep. I was so relaxed. Then, to keep the energy going, we went to a rooftop bar, and I feel like Bangkok at night is also something else. Welcome to day 3. I'm meeting up with someone today that I've been looking forward to seeing. We met at an event in Chiang Mai, and it was immediately clear we were on the same wavelength. Female connection and sisterhood that doesn't feel performed is the kind that really nourishes me in a way that no spa ever could. After that, I went to the Bangkok Arts and Culture Center. This is another of my go-tos whenever the city starts feeling too much. It's a huge space. It's light, it's breathy and calm. And there's always rotating art exhibitions. There are big galleries and small galleries, bookshops. This space is just always very inspiring, and there's a lot of independent artists and authors and events going on. I bought 2 books here, but I will tell you about those later. Another gallery I went to is the Kunsthalle Bangkok. It's a bit more independent, and it's also definitely worth a visit. It's much smaller though, and they have very interesting art installations and artworks, mostly from graduating art students. On my last evening, I decided to go to the night market and just indulge in the smells, the lights, the music from every direction. I didn't buy anything besides this really great fried chicken. I just wander and let myself feel grateful that this city always surprises me, no matter how many times I've been there already. Ooh, kitty! At the gate, it's that strange in-between time before you're really gone, and I pull out the books. I bought Thai magic and Thai herbalism. They are both rooted in the ancient traditions of the Thai people. It's people from the Shan states, that is Laos, Myanmar, northern Thailand. It's about healing plants, the spiritual practices, the knowledge passed down for centuries. I can't wait to read it. My travel comes to an end, but what I want to leave you with, even if you're someone who gets easily overwhelmed, there are places like this that feel like healing when you know where to look. Temple over shopping mall, herb cafe over rooftop party. Thank you for being here with me. Take good care of yourself and see you next time. Bye bye.